My name is Jamie Richardson. I am a social work and criminal justice major. What I love about the College of Public Service and Community Solutions are all the hands-on learning opportunities.
My name is Jen McKenzie. I'm a criminology and criminal justice major. I never thought that my first year in college I would get such a unique hands-on learning approach. I was part of a class that organized and put on an art show that featured art made within the walls of a prison. All the proceeds from the art we sold at that event went to a couple different nonprofits that benefited children.
The thing that I love about ASU's College of Public Service and Community Solutions is that you're actually allowed to experience your major through internships, hands-on learning, and other career development opportunities. I am Dana Smith. I am a senior in the Therapeutic Recreation Program in the School of Community Resources and Development.
So if you're looking for hands-on opportunities, the College of Public Service and Community Solutions is the place for you.